How to deactivate Facebook account. Hey there, welcome to our channel. Have you been frustrated or distracted using Facebook and want to take break from this social media platform and thought of deactivating your account? If so, you are on the right place. Today I will guide you with simple and easy process that needs to be followed up for deactivating your Facebook account. Let's get started. Open up your Facebook application. You will land to its official homepage. Right here at the top, tap on the circle with your profile picture. You will land to profile page. Over here, tap on settings icon. Right here, tap on personal details under account center. Select personal details under account settings. Tap on account ownership and control. Right here, select deactivation or deletion. If you have multiple accounts, choose the one you wish to deactivate. For me, it's the first one. Within the accounts menu, select deactivate account. Tap on continue. Remember, pages and additional Facebook profiles linked with your selected account will also be deactivated at the same time. So make sure either you are planning all the accounts to be deactivated at once or specific ones only by giving access of page admin to others. If you have decided, then tap on continue. To proceed further with your account deactivation, enter your account password. Once done, tap on continue. Select the reason behind your account deactivation. For me, this is temporary. I'll be back. Scroll down, tap on continue. Right here at the bottom, select the time frame after which you want to reactivate your account. If you don't wish to reactivate automatically, select don't reactivate automatically. Tap on done. Then tap on continue. Scroll down and tap on deactivate my account. And boom, you have successfully deactivated your Facebook account. Remember, deactivating is temporary, so if you change your mind, you can easily reactivate your account by logging in from the official login page of Facebook. That's all for today's video. If you found this video insightful, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more insightful tutorials.